guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another Bloxburg roleplay. Thank you to everyone who subscribed. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And comment some video ideas because we want to know your input. So let's get on to the video. Just finished washing my hands from making the girls and I breakfast. They're both having Pop-Tarts. Sadie can have Pop-Tarts because they're soft. Yeah, let's go wake up Hazel. Good morning, Hazel. 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 Good morning. Good morning, sweetie. It's pretty gloomy out. Well, not gloomy, just very cloudy. Are you okay? Okay, let's go wake up your sister. Very cloudy out today. I'm gonna go get your sister. Why don't you just stay here while I go out? Because she's a big one. Sadie, time to get up. Oh, hello. Are you okay? Come on. Let's change your diaper. We're having Pop-Tarts for breakfast. Are you excited for Pop-Tart? Yeah, Pop-Tart. Hazel, Hazel. Hazel, get out of my bedroom. Thank you. Now I need to lock my bedroom door. So, how was what did you dream about? It's okay. Hazel, what did you dream about? Oh, so I guess it was a nightmare. Good, you saved your sister. Sadie, why did you drink my... Sadie, you can't drink my juice. And she drank yours. I'll get you a new one, don't worry. Let's get your grape juice. Here, Hazel, there, I got you more grape juice. Sadie, stop. Here, Hazel. Hazel. Here, Hazel, I'll put yours right there and I'll take Sadie out of the room. Wanna watch? Why do you always like the news? What did you say? Did you say something? Okay. Well, I'm gonna go see what your sister is watching now. Don't forget to make your bed. Oh, Gordon Bloxy. Yes, sweetie? Sure, why not? Why don't you go get dressed and I'll go get Hazel dressed, okay? And you girls look amazing. Do you like the floaties I got you guys? You girls like the floaties I got you? Good. Here, let me take your sister. Oopsies. Sadie, do you want... Oh, are you going to say hi to the bunny? Hazel, we don't need the stroller. Okay, girls, let's go get in the car. Did you go to the bathroom before we left? Did you girls go to the bath? Well, Hazel, you're not allowed to sit there. There you go. You don't need to sit like that. You can sit normally. Why are you? Yeah. Okay, so everyone's I'm dressed now.
Hey!
And we are just going to the beach now. Why are you saying things in the car? We have you both in the car, don't worry. They're a bit excited. And the sky cleared up. Girls, we're here. Let's go on the Ferris wheel, okay? Hazel. Sadie, no. Sadie. Sadie, we get ice cream. We're gonna get ice cream later, okay? Okay, so we're just waiting for him. Here, come on, Hazel, come on. There you go, girls. Be safe, girls. I'll be on the next one behind you. Calm your sister down. It's okay. Is Sadie okay? Okay, well, just make sure she's okay. The view from up here. So pretty. Who just threw up? Okay, you can wash off in the water. It's fine. She might just be a bit... Girls, why did you do that? Come on. Girls, come on. You don't have to jump. We are not going back on. That's just a net. Let's go. Sadie, no water yet. We have to put on sunscreen, so you girls both have to dry off. Hazel, why don't you go make a sandcastle? You go make a sandcastle while I put sunscreen on Sadie. Sadie, come on, I have to put sunscreen on you. Good girl. Okay, let me just... Sadie, okay. There we go, sunscreen. Okay, you play in the sand. That's okay. I'm going to put sunscreen on you, okay? Okay, how lovely. Let me just put some sunscreen on you. Okay, you girls can both go in the water. And Sadie, you're staying here for a bit. Because you need to be safe. And you're dancing on the water. How lovely. Hazel, just stay away from big waves, and you have to stay in front of me. Well, close to me. So don't go that far out. And, yeah. Do you want to go swim, Hazel? I mean, Sadie? Hazel, you know Hazel? Hazel, look at your sister. She's doing fine. Hazel, your sister's doing fine. Sadie, come on. Sadie. Okay, thank you girls. We're going back. Let's go. Do you girls want to play on the beach a bit and stay out of the water for a little? No. Just go play in the sand, you two. Hi, sweetie. Sorry, what is it, sweetie? That's because you have a sunburn because you got too wet before your sunscreen dried. You girls have to stay here. Here, go sit down. So let me just redo sunscreen, and you girls have to stay until the sun for a little bit so you girls don't get a sunburn. Why don't I go get some ice cream, okay? I'll go get ice cream, you stay here, and if I see you anywhere close to the water or the big ball, which is actually called a Ferris wheel, you are grounded. Sadie, why are you up there? Sadie, get down from there. Hazel! I know. Hazel, what are you doing? Sadie, get down from there now. Hazel, what are you doing? You are grounded, young lady. Now get out. Hazel, get up now. You're grounded. We're going home. You're grounded. I told you not to go on the Ferris wheel. Come on. Sadie, come on. Fine, I'll just throw away this ice cream. There we go. Well, then you should have listened. We're going home now. I just need to get your sister. Sadie, come on. You can talk to him later. Come on, let's go. Get in the car now. Yes, you are. Because I am your parent. I am your mother. And this is why you don't do what you have to do. What I see, now you're grounded and we can't even go to the beach anymore. I'll probably just get my mom to watch you so you should have listened. Now I'll just be taking. Why is it Sadie's fault? How is it Sadie's fault? It's not dumb. It was your action. Go to your room right now, young lady. Fine, I'll put you in your room. Sadie, come on. Yes, Sadie, you're nice. We talked to that nice man. Sadie, you can stay down here. I'm taking Hazel. Now stay. Now stay in here and think what you've done, okay? Oh, great. Okay. Well, you're not allowed out. You wanna go play in the backyard? Sadie, no. Here, Sadie, I need to change your diaper. Stop knocking. Hazel, you're grounded even longer now. How is that education? Stay in here, you're grounded even longer. And I'm going to take away your toys. Okay, fine, you can go play. And you're watching the news. Well, that's fine, you like the news. And I get to listen to it at the same time. Get back in your room now, young lady. I'm going to take away your toys. See, I told you I'd get rid of all your toys. The only toy you get to keep is this big one, and it's not even a toy. Girls, stop. Hazel, if you do that one more time, you're grounded for even longer. Stop. What was that, young woman? I heard something. Okay guys, so that will be the end of the video. I hope you like this role play. This is going to be part 1 out of part 2. So, get back in your bedroom. So as I was saying, this is going to be part 1 out of 2. So I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't subscribed. And like this video. Bye!